welcome back to Casper's Web. We are here with another video today. So it's a hot day and my budgies are eating dhaniya. That's coriander. As I've mentioned in my previous videos also that coriander helps them to regulate their body temperature. All our birds literally love to eat dhaniya and methi stalks. This gives them a better health and keeps them all day fresh and active. So you can see Jeff and First are chewing the dhaniya stalks, and here's Money Baby. Sizak and Popeye are loving each other and spend their whole day grooming up themselves. Whereas Money loves to be alone and admire herself in the mirror.